Hello, my name is Jeff Brecht, and I'm a professor of post-harvest physiology in the Horticultural Sciences Department at the University of Florida. I'm also an alumnus of the University of California, Davis. I received my PhD there under Dr. Adel Kader, who actually was the founder of the Post-Harvest Technology Center at UC Davis, now called the Post-Harvest Research and Extension Center. I've been involved with the Post-Harvest Center for a number of years now, primarily as an instructor in workshops like the Fresh Cut workshop and the Fruit Ripening and Ethylene Management Group workshop. In my research here at the University of Florida, I work, of course, in post-harvest physiology, but primarily in the distribution system, what we can do to maintain and improve the maintenance of quality of fresh fruits and vegetables as they move from their point of origin through that distribution center to the ultimate retail destination and the consumers. In my personal research here at the University of Florida, as I said, I'm interested in things that go on during the distribution of fruits and vegetables. And so that includes different technologies like removing ethylene from the environment so that its effects can be reduced, using modified atmosphere packaging so that we reduce the oxygen level and increase the carbon dioxide level surrounding the fruits or vegetables to further slow their metabolism beyond what can be achieved with temperature control alone. I've had different projects that relate to the distribution center, like we had a project with strawberries that was funded by the Walmart Foundation to look at how temperature management could be used to improve the quality of strawberries in the distribution system. And that involved monitoring shipments that went from Florida to various other states in the United States and from California to various other states, including completely across the country, monitoring the temperature throughout the loads and documenting how that could be improved. I also have an extension appointment here at the University of Florida, and in my extension I deal primarily with those industry companies that supply the technology and the services that help move the produce through the distribution center. And so I work with those companies to determine the effectiveness of their products and communicate that information to the handlers and shippers on one hand and the receivers on the other. And that would include things like the ethylene scrubbing that I mentioned earlier, removing ethylene from the environment, packaging like modified atmosphere packaging, and other things like non-destructive ways to measure the quality of produce as it moves through the distribution system. So I work in that area by directly setting up tests in the shipping environment and then communicating the results to the industry through various means, including the workshops at the University of California that I mentioned that I've been involved with for a while. I also have a teaching appointment here at the University of Florida. I teach a course with my colleague, Dr. Mark Reitnauer, another UC Davis alumnus. He got his PhD with Michael Saltbite in Davis. And we co-teach a course called Principles of Post-Harvest Horticulture, which actually evolved from a similar course that was taught for a very long time at UC Davis, and that Mark and I were teaching assistants for as graduate students ages ago. So in that course, we teach the students about the post-harvest biology and technology and the commodity requirements for fruits and vegetables and ornamental crops. And finally, I'd like to conclude by saying that I'm very pleased and actually honored to be considered a member of the UC Post-Harvest Research and Extension Center. I'm very excited about the reimagining of the center that's going on right now with the co-directors, Dr. Erwin Donis-Gonzalez and Dr. Barbara Blanco Ulate, and I hope to make a positive contribution to that development of the center and to see where it goes now in 2024 and beyond. If you're interested in contacting me to learn more about my programs, feel free to email me at any time at jkbrecht@ufl.edu. Thank you very much.